Have you ever wondered how to grow citrus trees right in your own home without needing a vast orchard? Imagine the convenience of harvesting fresh citrus right from your living room. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you how to do just that. To start, gather the necessary tools and materials. First up is your citrus tree of choice. This could be a lemon, lime, or even a tangerine tree. Next, you'll need a suitable container. Make sure it's deep enough for the roots and has drainage holes. Then, get some potting soil, preferably citrus or cacti mix for good drainage. Lastly, don't forget your watering can for hydration. Each item plays a crucial role in ensuring your tree grows healthily. Once you've got all these items, you're ready to start planting. Now follow these steps to plant your citrus tree. First, select a container that's at least 24 inches in diameter and has good drainage. Fill it halfway with well-draining soil mix. Next, remove your citrus tree from its nursery pot. Be gentle. You don't want to damage the roots. Place it in the center of the container, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Fill in the rest of the container with soil, pressing it down lightly around the base of the tree. Water thoroughly until water runs out of the drainage holes. Place your container in a sunny spot, ideally where it will receive at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. In the coming weeks, water when the top inch of soil feels dry and fertilize every month during the growing season. This will ensure your tree is happy and healthy. And there you have it, your very own citrus tree growing right in your home. Growing citrus trees in containers is a fun, rewarding process. And with these steps, you can do it too. Imagine the joy of plucking fresh lemons right from your balcony. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.